Hey, it's Bengi from Desert Lobby. Welcome to my mini course. This is my small workshop, and today here I will teach you how to make cute little phone charms like this. You can attach them to your phone cases just to color up your life. And good news, they are super easy to make with a few materials. You need a rope. I use synthetic ropes generally because they are much more easier to bind and lock with the help of a lighter. You need also scissors, a ruler of any kind, and also beads. What kind of beads? I will use acrylic beads today, but it's totally up to you. I love acrylic beads because they look just like candy. I think I will go with green today. I will use green beads. I will just take some in front of me. And I think I will go with green rope. You will cut 60 centimeters of rope in the beginning. It doesn't have to be accurate, but at least 60 centimeters will make your job easier. Okay, so this is our rope. Now I will burn the edges just to sharpen them a little. Don't worry, you will not burn when you touch the rope after the lighter, so that I can, deal with the beads easier when I do this. The beaded length will be approximately 35 centimeters. Again, it's up to user's choice, but generally I prefer 30 or 35 centimeters of beaded length. So I just start, By the way, you can make certain patterns with that, but today I will just go with, random order. So fun to make. And it's also suitable for children as well. It's such a nice family activity if you want to spend more time with your children. So how long is it? I'm almost halfway done. Oops. So how long is this? Approximately 26 centimeters. Okay. So with the green beads, I will use another color just to boost up the energy, just to create a contrast. So I'm almost 30 centimeters long this way, and I will choose another color to, boost up the energy. I think I will go with purple this time. Is there a heart? figure? No? Okay, that's fine. Yes, I found the heart. You know, that's the shape of my heart. I will use 3 purple beads in between to make things interesting, and I continue with the green afterwards. So how long is this? Yes, it's 35 centimeters. Now, we came to the critical part where we bind the rope. You can hold up your craft like this. Okay, so one of them will be longer. You can pull it upwards like this and turn it over like this. So one edge will look like this, and the other one will be facing upwards like this. Okay, and you take the edge that is pointing downward and just make a knot here. Make a circle like this. And put it from up to down again. Okay. So the weave is like this. The other edge is pointing upwards. The other one turns around and points downwards, and you take a knot with the downward facing edge. After you're done, you should, bind it tighter like this. And there's a small sample hanging out. You will cut it. You will burn it and stick it. It melts slightly with the lighter so that you can stick the pieces together with the molten rope. Then, after you're done, you take a larger knot, just like this. Around the first knot, you take a larger knot like this. And it's done. You will cut out this little piece over here. And you will melt the rope and stick the pieces. But don't use the lighter so much, because you can break the rope if you do. But it's finished. What do you think? Rate below and let me know, okay? I'm in love.